Hi, Nick from LRM. We're the manufacturers of the VersEseal range of waterproofing products. One of our customers today has brought us a Jayco Freedom. He's got some water leaking issues on there and we need to help him fix it. So as well as doing the joins, we're going to do a full rubber membrane over the top. So let's take you through the steps and see how it's done. The first step in this process is to prepare your substrate. We want to make sure it's clean and dry. We use a power washer to get rid of any dust and dirt and grime. Now we've got that roof clean, we can see that the sealant's starting to fail. We need to get rid of that. A combination of a scraper, a hand sander, a power sander, and we can get rid of it really nice and easily. To make sure we keep clean, crisp lines around our projects, we want to mask up before we start. The first step in the application process is to coat the VersEseal membrane along the joins and around the edges. Once we've coated that on there, we're going to roll the geofabric straight in and we're going to smooth it into the wet coating. We want to smooth it out and make sure there's no creasing or cockling that's going to allow water to penetrate in there. With the geofabric smooth, we want to get another coat of the VersEseal membrane straight over the top. Allow 24 hours for that to dry before you come back and give it the first coat of the full membrane. That membrane wants to go on at about 1 kilo a square metre in total across 2 coats. So now your first coat of the VersEseal membrane's fully dried, we want to get a second coat on there to get you up to that correct dry film thickness. Again, allow 24 hours for it to dry before you carry on. The VersEseal membrane comes from the potable water industry, so it's completely non-toxic and safe to use. It's a really easy to apply product, great for DIYers and trades guys alike. Once your 2 coats of membrane have dried, give it 96 hours before you put the top coat on. It's time to dress that roof up with 2 coats of the VersEseal top coat. The VersEseal top coat's really easy to use. A highly elastomeric acrylic product that's designed to work in UV conditions that we have in this beautiful country. Once your first coat's dried, you want to get your second coat on there to make sure you've got a fully encapsulated roof system. As soon as you've got your second coat on there, you want to get the masking tape off straight away. We want to peel that off while the coating's still wet. That's the best way to give yourself a clean, crisp edge. So now you've got your 2 coats of membrane, your 2 coats of top coat on there, you've peeled off your masking tape, it's ready to enjoy. If you've got any questions about the application, please give us a call.